Yes, recording. Okay. Greetings. This is the King of Scare. I am not using my phone at the moment. In fact, my phone is right here. Right here's my phone. I finally got a camera. Okay, the only thing I can't do is turn the display thing. I couldn't think for a moment. But this might do a little bit better quality than my phone. And I think I actually am able to hold it more steady because it has a little hand thing. Here, let me. I'll probably just do a video from. Sorry, got a message on my phone. I might actually be able to, like I said, make better videos with this. The lighting situation I still need to figure out. I'm actually thinking, hold on. Sorry if it goes dark. Okay, now I can't find it. Any other time, oh, here it is. I think I might use this. It's my backlight, and I might like tape it like on my camera. Don't know where though. Sorry, but this is King's son. Sorry, that was my kitchen. The King of Scare. Just giving a short update.